Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Grazi, and today I'm gonna do a little unboxing video on my G Fuel that just came in. Paper. So we got 5 free flavored mangoes. And then we got the variety pack, which has blue ice, fruit punch, lemon lime, and pink lemonade. I've never really bought this before, so it's kind of new. We got the standard Gamma G Fuel cup. Let me just take this out. I'll pop this bubble wrap later. So we got, it says Gamma Labs on it, and then on the side it says G Fuel. It's pretty dope. And lastly, we have, I think this is a G Fuel sticker. So yeah, that's it. Later.